basically it. Joestar, got the gloves and all that. I don't know. You know, the guy who, yeah, he dies. Yeah, scarf. If you made a scarf, fabricate your own scarf. This could be used as an actual scarf if you really wanted to. You know, shirt from the thrift store. These pants found somewhere in my house. Belt, regular belt, boots. Those were also fabricated. Yeah. That's basically it. So I think I'm going to start off with his clackers, because I feel like those tactile type of things are a little more up my alley. So it appears that he has a pair. He has two clackers, usually, and they're just purple with some lettering on them. So I got these wooden balls here that I picked up from Michael's. And along with these, I have to cord them, and I got this craft string. So woolen craft string, it's thin and it should be durable enough. But before I get to paint them, I do want to drill holes into them so I can put the cords in. Also, I can make it easier to paint. Alright, what can fit in this? Second smallest. Yeah. That should be good. 5/64 bit something. If you look closely, you can see that there is, if you look closely, you can find little marks where the ball was turned. And that's probably where I'm going to be drilling. Drilling 90 degrees on a sphere is not fun. Well, been drilled. So, you're gonna love my balls. So first, I'm gonna hit this with a base coat and a primer of white. And while that's drying, I'm probably going to make the headband. So, just got some yellow ribbon, and gotta measure it out. And that is just about slightly more than a meter. 2 meters, I mean. So, it's supposed to go around your head, and then the strands should reach about as low as your waist, and a little lower perhaps. And half of this, in triangles, will be purple. So what I'm doing is cutting a bunch of triangles out on some masking tape in multiple layers. And I'm just applying them all onto here. And it's very tedious, it's making me very tired and very angry. And basically, all this yellow will be turned to purple. Balls. So to string these, I got craft metal rings and some wool string. I'm going to super glue one end of the tip to make insertion easier. Ha, sex. So, I'm going to get a reference of how long the strings are supposed to be. So I think I'm going to make it 9 inches or so. So I'm going to grab 2 of the balls and insert it from top to bottom. Now just make like a knot here. That doesn't look like it'll come out. Now, just gonna get a ring. And you're just gonna string it up. And just like that. And that's one of the clackers. Clackers. Gloves. These are like women's gloves that don't fit. Well, they're fingerless gloves. How do I stop them from falling apart? Right. Hopefully I did it right.
Hopefully.
Swabble, swabble, swabble. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's really hot.
Okay, so I need to make legs. Boots that are the size of legs. And I have these. Well, yeah. And looks like I am going to sew some boots.